Many of the facts that were proven in this case in Oklahoma are facts that our case relies on as well.
British Columbia's Attorney General is encouraged to learn a court in Oklahoma has fined Johnson & Johnson and its subsidiaries $572 million U.S. for the role it has played in helping to fuel that state's opioid crisis.
This decision is based on very similar facts that are argued by British Columbia in our litigation that's being backed up, supported, and joined in by other provinces across Canada. To have a judge say, yes, we do see that there's a serious problem here with how this company conducted themselves, and we do feel that they do need to be paying money out because of the way they marketed these very addictive and harmful drugs, is a very positive sign for our litigation here in Canada.
So will this lawsuit make a difference? One public health expert thinks that a fine of this size will not have a major impact on a company like Johnson & Johnson, but hopes that this case will help to make other big pharma manufacturers think a little bit more about the role they play in the creation and distribution of opioids.
There is no need to market things in a way that is so aggressive, that is so much about profit and so little about care.
The case in Oklahoma was a little bit different than British Columbia's for a couple reasons. One is that it named just one company, and British Columbia's litigation names a number of different manufacturers and distributors. And similarly, in British Columbia, we have special law, litigation, or legislation in place about how this case is going to go forward.
EB expects a case management conference will go forward this fall that will consist of a 3-day hearing to help determine a better timeline to proceed with the lawsuit. The Public Health Agency of Canada estimates over 11,500 people in this country died from opioid-related overdoses between January 2016 and December 2018.
This is such a little money that they're going to be penalized for. Such a little money. It's not going to be enough for them to scare them away from this. It's not. But I hope that is a way to raise awareness on moving forward.
In Vancouver, Andrea Macpherson, City News.